Hi friends, for writing today we are going to do some more letter writing, but this letter is going to be a little different than what we've done before. So we've been learning about writing persuasive letters, trying to convince someone to get you something or go somewhere, but sometimes letters can just be a way to say hello or to tell someone that you miss them. And I thought this would be the perfect time to write those type of letters since we haven't been able to see each other in person, and I'm sure there's a lot of other people that you might miss that you don't get to see. So I can definitely say that Mrs. Chili really misses all of you, and I miss KCI so much and being in the classroom with you and learning together. So today I'm going to write you a letter, and then afterwards you can decide who you would like to write a letter to, telling them that you miss them and what you would love to do if you got to see them. So let's start with our letter together. Today is April 29th, 2020. Now by the time that you write this letter, it's going to be May, so you're going to have a different date. And now I'm going to write who the letter is to. And since I'm writing to all of you, I'm going to say, Dear KCI. Dear KCI, comma. And now I can start writing what I want to say. Now remember, this isn't really a persuasive letter. It's just a letter to say hello. So I am going to write how I'm feeling towards KCI. So I'm going to say, I miss you so much. I wish we were back in our classroom learning together. And then I think I'm going to tell you one thing I really miss about being in the classroom with you, which is our Friday dance parties. So I'm going to say, I miss our Friday dance parties and giving you all hugs. I hope to see you soon. And that was my closing sentence, because we always want to have a closing sentence in our letter. So let's read it over to make sure that it sounds right. Dear KCI, I miss you so much. I wish we were back in our classroom learning together. I miss our Friday dance parties and giving you all hugs. I hope to see you soon. And then, since it's not really a persuasive letter, you don't have to put sincerely. You can either put from or love. So I'm going to put love, comma, and this is where you would write your name. Love, Mrs. Chili. And put a heart. Okay, so today for writing, you are going to choose someone. It could be me. It could be a friend that you don't get to see right now. It could be a classmate. It could be a family member that you miss. And you're going to write them a letter about how you miss them and what you miss about them and what you wish you could be doing when you saw each other. And then hopefully you can mail this out and the other person will receive it and they will feel so warm and fuzzy inside and be filled with good thoughts because they got such a nice letter from you. So we are going to do some nice letter writing today. So have fun. I can't wait to read them. Bye, friends.